So this is our code for detecting the heart rate. So initialize the heart rate monitor on pin 13, and then in a forever loop, I'm just reading the heart rate and displaying it. So one thing to note, like this is not a medical grade sensor, like it is just a IR LED and a photoregister. So don't expect this to be like accurate kind of thing. It is just to understand the concept of how the commercial heart rate detection sensors work when they are attached to the finger, how they monitor the change in the flow of blood, how they detect it using that light, and how they calculate the heart rate. So commercial sensors are much more advanced. They have like inbuilt algorithm in the device itself, the sensor itself, and they do a lot more sampling, and they take the ambient light factor and other things. So this is just a simple IR LED and a photoregister kind of thing to just detect the change in the blood flow. So this will not give you any accurate heart rate. It is just like a kind of approximation. It is just to learn how the heart rate sensors work. So let's see the wiring. So here I have kept a pillow so that there is no pressure on my finger, and this LED is also not inserting any pressure on my finger, so the blood flow is like uninterrupted kind of thing. So like if you press your finger too hard, like the blood flow might get impacted. So like for that same reason I have kept my finger on a pillow, and the IR LED is also like a little bit higher so that it is touching my finger but not inserting any pressure, and this is connected to pin 13. So the wiring is pretty simple, like you have this ground, and the center one red is your 3.3 volt, and this is your signal, which is also denoted here signal, and this is the photoregister, and this is the IR LED. So I have just kept it like this. So I have folded the LEDs and the photoregister so that I can simply insert my finger. And when you want to take the measurement, you should take uh, in a covered area, like where there is no ambient light effect. So like I have just kept my LED like that, and make sure like there is no nail polish or something like on top of it. And that would also like affect the readings and all those things. So you can adjust like your photoregister and like your IR LED so that they are into the same straight line kind of thing, and that IR LED should be on your nail, and your finger should not have any pressure from like downward this or like this. It should just slide easily into this.